Hello students, welcome to SST class. Let us learn the second lesson, that is Planet Earth, Continents and Oceans, page number 154. Before we start the lesson, let us see the first lesson. In the first lesson we learned about the solar system. Sun is the center of the solar system and other all planets are revolving around the sun. Earth is third planet from the sun. In the second lesson, Planet Earth, we are going to learn continents and oceans on the earth, use of globes and maps to locate places on the earth. Firstly, what means earth? Earth is a planet on which we live. The earth is made up of land and water. It stands third from the sun and is perhaps the only planet known to support life. This is largely because of the presence of water, land, soil, air, that's atmosphere on it, and the right amount of sunlight reaching it. Observe the picture, the earth. The green colored surface is the land and the blue colored is water. Do you know Earth stands fifth in the solar system in terms of size? Activity. Look at this picture carefully. You will notice that maximum part of the earth is blue in color and some parts are in green. The part in blue stands for the water bodies like oceans and seas, while the green indicates land. Next, continents. The earth comprises large and extensive masses of land called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Continents are then further divided into countries. Our country India is situated in Asia. There are 7 continents. Continents are large and extensive masses of land. So, the 8 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Out of that, our country India is located in Asian continent. Next, oceans. Just as continents are huge masses of land, oceans are vast and continuous water bodies spread across the earth. Ocean water forms up to 97% of total water present on the earth. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean are the different oceans on the earth. Refer the picture, page number 155, word map showing continents and oceans. The blue colored are the oceans and grey colored are the continents. Next, globe. We cannot see the whole earth at one time. A globe is a small but accurate model of the earth. See the picture of a globe. It is spherical in shape. It shows exactly how the planet looks and how it spins around itself. The globe can also be called a mini earth since it shows the exact location of places on it. However, since a globe is quite small, all places cannot be shown on it. In such cases, maps help us by identifying even small places in detail. I hope all are familiar with the globe. Yes, it is round in shape, that is spherical in shape. On that you can see the oceans and the continents, all the rivers and countries also. We can locate the places on the globe. Better than that, we can locate the places accurately in the map also. Next, maps. See the word map. A map is a picture of the earth drawn on flat surface. Globe is a picture drawn on a round shape, on a round surface, and map is a picture of the earth drawn on a flat surface that shows landforms and water bodies. Maps greatly help in finding the exact location of even a small place that cannot be shown on a globe. Which places we cannot see on the globe that can be clearly seen in the map. And some advantages and disadvantages of globes and map. Globe you cannot carry everywhere, but we can fold the maps and carry it anywhere. Page number 156. Maps can be hung on a wall or spread across a large table. Map, like chart, you can hang it on the wall and spread over a large table. A book containing a collection of different maps that make the entire earth is called an atlas. You can see in the picture an atlas book. Different types of maps, collection of different types of maps. That book is known as atlas. Do you know a magnetic compass is an instrument which is used to find direction. It has a needle that always points to the north. This instrument is used by sailors to find their way in the sea. Compass is a magnetic instrument which is used to find direction. In that compass, we can see north direction. The needle points always to the north direction. It is used by the sailors who go in the ship. They need the way of the sea. To see the way of the sea, they have to know the direction. So, these instruments help the sailors. Let us revise. The Earth is perhaps the only planet in the solar system known to support life. Continents are large and extensive masses of land present on the Earth. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica are the 7 continents on the Earth. Oceans are vast and deep water bodies on the Earth. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean are the 5 oceans on the Earth. A globe is a small but accurate model of the Earth. A map is a picture of a section of the Earth drawn on a flat surface. Thank you. See you in the next class.